Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be a very simple daytime makeup look and you can create this with using very minimum products. So let's start with the video. So one thing which is very important to do before makeup is to apply skincare. The more you take care of your skin, the more flawless will your makeup base look. First, I have applied the toner and now I am applying a oil-free moisturizer. All the products which I am using in this video will be listed down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. And now let's start with the makeup. I am applying Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. My bottle was broken, so I have applied it using my fingers and now I am using a brush to blend it over. I bought this makeup brush from Amazon, and also don't forget to cover your neck with the foundation properly. So usually I don't apply a concealer, so I am using this Lakme 925cc cream on the place of concealer and I am applying it on my under eye and all the spots which I want to cover. This also is a very good technique if you don't have your concealer. And now I am using the same brush I used for foundation to blend my concealer. And also I will be uploading a very glam nighttime makeup routine for your Christmas or New Year party, so stay tuned for that. So for eyeshadow, I am using Swiss Beauty Makeup Pro eyeshadow collection and I am taking this brown shade and just depositing it on my lid as the base color. Now take this brick sort of color and mix it with red and dust it off and apply it on the crease of your eyes. Do not take lots of color in one go. You can always build it up according to your need, and same goes with the foundation. First apply a very thin layer of foundation and then build it up according to your need. You can always increase the amount but you cannot reduce it. Blend this all really well. Now take a very light shimmer color and apply it on your lid. You can use your finger and also you can use a flat eyeshadow brush. These are the colors which I have used for my eye makeup. Follow the same procedure on the other side also. And now it's time to apply the eyeliner. I just quickly go and come back after applying. Now I am using Fashion Color waterproof and long lasting kajal and smudging it with the red eyeshadow color which I have used earlier. This is Maybelline waterproof hyper curl mascara. Apply 2-3 coats of it, and also don't forget to apply on the lower lashes. For eyebrows, I have used In Color Cosmetics gel liner and smudge in the shade brown. After that, I am using Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Don't forget to apply it on your under eyes to pack them and also on your T-zone. Now apply the contour on the place I am showing, and you can also use the same foundation brush to blend everything properly. I am using MAC Professional Cosmetics Contour Palette, and also don't forget to apply it on your chin, and also on your hairline if you have a broad forehead like me. So you have these two options of lipstick. Either you can opt for brown or red. So I was choosing which one to apply and I finally decided to go with the brown one. For the blush also, I'm using the same lipstick so everything will look put together. And also don't apply too much of lipstick at one time. Just wait, blend everything, and if you need, apply more. So I bought this eyeshadow palette from a drugstore, and this was very cheap, I guess for around 150 bucks, and that's it. And the colors in this palette are really good, so I am using this light champagne shade and applying it on the corner of my eye. So this is my highlighter and bronzer palette from Swiss Beauty. You can't believe it, guys, this is such a beautiful highlighter. I really recommend you all to bought this. Now apply it under your eyebrows, your nose, cheekbones, highlight everything you want. The final step is to spray some makeup fixer, and that's it for this makeup look. If you like this makeup look and you recreate it, don't forget to tag me on your Instagram stories. And also, if you like my content and want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button, like this video, and also give me reviews in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.